know what I thought of whenever my reaction was whenever Duke lost?
No, what was it called?
It was.
You know what Coach K looks like when I look at him?
What's that?
It looks like a rat. This is what Coach K looks like. With some elephant ears on the side.
Hey, do you think Tyler Zeller eats things with his nose? Because it's certainly big enough.
Oh, really?
I'm trying to make my nose. Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Hey, look, I look like all the players on Duke. And my brain is just
Duke already
so
won once.
big. Look at me, Duke.
I wish you really had eyes like that. That'd be hilarious.
You know what I have to say to you is,
What?
Scoreboard.
Hey, I wonder if this will make my middle finger really big.
Oh,
Oh!
that is weird. Like elephantitis of the finger. Oh, that's cute.
I'm not laughing anymore. Serious faces
I
right
like
now.
making my ears even bigger.
Oh my gosh.
So, what do you think of that game, Coleman? UNC just
I don't know. What do you think?
destroying Duke.
Whispered in my ear. Tell me what you thought.
I think Duke sucks! Did you catch that?
Nope. Whoa, your face.
Whoa, your face, punk!
Hmm.
Hey, it really is like Coach K right now.
I can't believe this thing's still recording.
Here's my monkey face.